We'll guide you through how to fix low volume on Bluetooth headphones or AirPods on a Samsung. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. This can be really annoying as it's then just really quiet and you can't fully go and hear things. We've got some different fixes you can try. First of all, go and swipe up and you can open up your settings. You want to find sounds and vibration, find volume, and you want to then go and press the three dots in the top right and press media volume limit. Make sure these are both turned off. See if that solves it. Next, you want to come down to the bottom of settings, go and find developer options there. If you haven't got it, you can go and enable it in about phone, press software information and keep pressing build number and then they'll be appearing and you can tap on it. Disable absolute volume. Go and switch that on and then go and see if it goes and makes it louder. Hopefully it does. If it still doesn't, you want to come back to your main settings and you need to go and find the option general management. You can then go and scroll down and you want to go and find the option for reset. Then you can scroll down and you can go and reset Wi-Fi and Bluetooth settings. Press reset, that'll go and disconnect them. And then what you can do is once it's complete is reconnect. Hopefully it's now fixed. Leave a like if you found this useful.